Reaction. Justice Michael Clariani presided.
Be seated. Good morning. Okay, Rudy, what do we got today?
Case 438-1, City of Providence versus Doreen Lombardi. Citation for breaking Newton's third law of motion.
Okay, Ms. Lombardi, it seems here that you took an action for which there was not an equal and opposite reaction. What do you have to say about this?
Look, Your Honor, all I gotta say is that when I was out with my friend and I made the reaction, she said that she was gonna equal and opposite it, and then when I got home, I realized, wait, like, she didn't equal and opposite it, so I called her and I was like, how dare you, because that's not nice. And so now I'm here.
Mr. Luca! Mr. Luca!
Yes, Your Honor.
You did commit the action, did you not?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then you knew that you had the responsibility to confirm that there was an equal and opposite reaction, and not rely on hearsay. You cannot be calling your friends afterwards to find out the result. Okay? These things happen, but I still have to uphold the law. You do 10 hours of community service, pay a $40 fine. See the cashier outside. Case closed. Okay, up next, Rudy.
Case 751-0, City of Providence versus Joseph Soriano. Citation for breaking the law of conservation of mass.
Okay, Mr. Soriano, as you know, mass may neither be created nor destroyed, and yet there was matter on your property that was in fact destroyed rather than changing form. What do you have to say to this?
Well, Your Honor, the first thing I'd like to say is good morning.
And good morning.
As far as that matter, I don't know, Your Honor. I think my kid got a hold of it. He's only 3.5. You know how kids are, am I right? I don't know. He could have done anything with it. I've been looking all over the place. He could have put it in a crawl space or something.
Right, all right. Look, I understand the difficulties of raising a child in our modern world.
Thank you.
Okay? I can waive the community service, but you're still going to have to pay the $40 fine. My hands are tied on that.
Yeah, and I'm going to have a hard time coming up with that money.
Okay, well, you could set up a payment plan with the cashier, Mr. Soriano.
God bless you, Your Honor. You and your bailiff. God bless you.
See the cashier. Yeah, case closed. All right, Rudy, what's next?
Our old friend Anthony Jacoby, case 743-2, breaking Archimedes' rule of displacement this time.
Jacoby, I wish I could say I was happy to see you again. This is the second time you're here this month.
Yeah, well, that last time wasn't my fault. I told you already. That was my brother-in-law's system, so I didn't know it was closed. So I didn't know the entry was supposed to increase. I didn't know it's not my system. How am I supposed to?
Mr. Jacoby, that's not what we're here to talk about today, is it? Ignorance of the law is no excuse for getting over this.
Sorry.
Put your tongue back in your mouth. That's why you stick your tongue out, not in my court. Look, you're here because you broke Archimedes' rule of displacement. Okay.
Okay, I'm not, like, I know that if you put shit in fucking water, then you gotta displace water. If you put junk, right? But I thought that was just like public water, like a public pool or a fountain. But when I'm with my friends, throwing cinder blocks in my pool for fun, I didn't know I gotta displace water for that. That's private property.
Mr. Jacoby!
Behind the fence!
Mr. Jacoby, displacement is displacement is displacement. It is not dependent on a location.
I don't even understand, because it's my pool. It's my pool.
Doesn't matter.
It's my cinder block.
You committed the act. We'll get those later.
Now.
All right, fine. You're going to pay a $500 fine, and you're going to get out of court.
$500? Your Honor, with all due respect, $500 is an undue burden on me as a small businessman operating within the state of Rhode Island.
Yeah, well, Mr. Jacoby, you should have thought of that before you went all willy-nilly throwing cinder blocks in your pool. Now get out of here.
I can't pay $500.
All right, Rudy, take him away. Take him out of here.
I am. Hey, whoa, hey,
All right, who's up next, Rudy?
Case 578-3, City of Providence versus Robert Callahan, cited for breaking the law of gravity.
Mr. Callahan, please step forward. Where is Mr. Callahan?
Hey, up here, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Callahan, how do you plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will now take a 10-minute recess to find ladder and sandbags. Court dismissed.